Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss paper number 239. See reasoning ability. In each of the questions there are given statements to be true. Find out which of the two conclusions 1 and 2 is definitely true. See, this is greater than, lesser than. See the first one, Q is equal to H, H less than L, L less than F. Therefore Q less than F follows, H less than F also follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows is the correct answer. Next one, D greater than E, E greater than or equal to I greater than or equal to K. Therefore D greater than or equal to I does not follow, but E greater than or equal to K definitely follows. Next, V less than W, W less than or equal to U, U less than R. Therefore V less than R follows, W less than R follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next question, F less than J, J less than or equal to T, T greater than or equal to R. Therefore F greater than T does not follow, F is equal to R also does not follow. Neither one, not two. Next question, M greater than K, K is equal to H, H greater than or equal to L. Therefore M greater than L definitely follows, M less than H does not follow. Only one follows. Next question, see the next one. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. There are 8 friends sitting around a circle facing the center. A is sitting third to the left of B, who is sitting second to the right of F. D does not sit next to A or B. C and G always sit next to each other. H never sits next to D, and C does not sit next to B. Now all of you draw 2 circles, divide into 8 parts. So draw 4 lines, 1 plus and 1 into, then it will be 8 parts. Then first one, A is sitting third to the left of B. So write down B. A is sitting third to the left of B. A is sitting third to the left of B, while sitting second to the right of F. A is sitting second to the right of F. Then see the next one, D does not sit next to A or B. That means D will not come here, D will not come here. So only thing, D will come here. Here also same thing, D will come here. C and G always sit next to each other. C and G always next to sit to each other. So here you write CG, here I will write GC. Then H never sit next to D. So H is not sitting next to D. That means H will come here, here E will come. So H will never sit next to D. C does not sit next to B. Here C is sitting next to B. So this one is wrong, this one is correct. Now come to the questions. See the questions all of you. So this is the circle we have got. The persons B, G, C, A, H, F, D and E. Now who is sitting in between H and E? FD is sitting, option 1. Then starting from A, if the position, if all 8 are arranged in alphabetical order in clockwise direction, that means here A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, G, H. Then how many are remaining? How many will not change? D is not changing, E is not changing, G is not changing. 3 persons. Then which of the following person has only one person sitting when counted in clockwise direction? So clockwise direction, if you count how only one person should be there. So clockwise means left side. See here, B, A, 2 persons. D, C, more than 2 persons. E, F. So when you count in clockwise direction, between F and E there is only one person. So 3 is the correct answer. Who is to the immediate right of E? D. What is the position of B with respect to C? Second to the right. So second to the right is not there, it is none of these. Next question, 11 to 15. So here one letter number symbol series is there. Based on that we should answer the questions. If all the numbers are deleted from the above arrangement, which of the following is 7th to the left of 6th from the right? That is 13th from the right. We should delete all the numbers. Delete all the numbers means you should count only the symbols and alphabets. So 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 13th one. See 1, 2, 3, 4. This one you should not take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th, 13th one H. H is the correct answer. Then how many numbers are there in the above arrangement preceded by symbol. Before number, symbol. Before number, symbol means in how many cases we are getting? Before number, symbol. %9. %9 will come. Then #7. #7 will come. Next C round 4. So 3 are there. If 9W is related to, see the next question, 9W is related to, 9W is related to GH8. 9 immediate, 9 one gap G, GH hash. Similar way, $7, dollar after 2BM. Then similar way, 4J, 4 after E8, E at for Z. It should come as E at for Z, which is not there, none of these. How many symbols are there in the above arrangement? Which is followed by letter. Symbol immediately followed by letter. Symbol followed by letter means $L is there. $L. Then second one, star B is there. Star B. Then at for Z. So totally 3 are we are getting 3. So option is 4. Option is 4. Next question. See the next question. If all the symbols are deleted from the above arrangement, then which of the following is 4th to the left of 12th from the left, right? 4th to the left of 12th from the right means 16th from the right. We should delete all the symbols. We should delete all the symbols. So count only the alphabets and numbers. So we have to count the 16th from right. 16th from right. See, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th one, 3. 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. So 3 is the correct answer, option 2. Next question. 8 people are there in 2 rows. So in such a way that there is equal distance. Row 1 A, B, C, D, all of them are facing south. Row 2 P, Q, R, S, north facing. Now see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D are south facing. P, Q, R, S are north facing. Therefore, R is sitting second to the left. See the first point. R is sitting second to the left of the person who faces A. R is sitting. So if you take R in the corner, R is sitting second to the left of the one who is facing A. So A facing this one, this person second left to R. Then S is the immediate neighbor of R. This is S. Then only one person is there between A and D. This is D. Then one of the neighbors of C faces Q. One of the neighbors of C. So C will be having C. One of the immediate neighbor of C faces Q. B does not sit at extreme ends. So here we will get B. Here we will get C. One of the neighbor of C faces Q. So this one will be Q. This one will be P. So this is the total arrangement. Now come to the questions. Now come to the questions. See here. Totally we are having 8 persons. We are having DB AC. Here we are having RS QP. Now, which of the following is second to the right of the person who is facing P? So P facing C. C second right is B. B is the correct answer. Then 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group, which is the one. See this one, C, it is in the corner. C is in the corner. R is in the corner. P is in the corner. D, but P is not in the corner. Which of the following is true regarding C? A is on the immediate right of C. That is correct. Who is facing R? R facing D. Who is facing B? B facing S. Then next one. Here there are 5 letters. Based on this we should answer the question. If the second letter, second alphabet in each word is changed to previous, then how many words does form have more vowels? More than one vowel. Second letter is only changed to the previous one. So that will become TGE, then MND, then COU, then RZM. A previous letter Z, then SGE. Now how many words have more than one vowel? So only COU, only one word is there. If in each word all alphabets are arranged in alphabetical order within the word. Within the word alphabetical order means first one EHT, second one DMO, third one CPU, fourth one AMR, next we will get EHS. Then how many words will begin with vowel? This is beginning with vowel, this is. So totally 3 words are beginning with vowel. 3 is the correct answer. Next, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical series between the third letter of the second word from left? Second word from left, mod. In this third letter, D. And second letter of the word which is second from the right. Second from the right, ram. In this second letter, A. Between A and D we are having 2 letters, that is BC. So 2 letters are there. Next, if in the given words, if the given words are arranged as they appear in the dictionary from left to right, which is fourth from the left. Now see, the words are this one: THE, then MOD, then CPU, then RAM, then SHE. These are the words. Now we have to arrange them in the English as they are in the English alphabetical English dictionary from left to right. So that means CPU will come first, then MOD, then RAM, then SHE, then THE. Then which of the following is second from the fourth from the left? Fourth from the left is SHE. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. If next, see the next question. If in each word each consonant is changed to previous and each vowel is changed to next. If it is consonant previous, if it is vowel next, that means THE will become SGF, MOD becomes LPC, then CPU becomes BOV, then this becomes QBL, then last one becomes RGF. Then how many words have no vowel? So this is not having any vowel, this is not having any vowel. 3, 4. There are 4 words which don't have any vowel. So option is 4. Next, 8 people are sitting in a straight line facing north. H is sitting second to the right of N, and L is sitting fourth to the right of H. M is sitting second to the right of F. Number of persons between G and L is same as the number of persons between O and F. O is sitting to the immediate left of G, who is not the neighbor of L. F is not the neighbor of N. So this is the arrangement. Now there are totally 8 persons. So we will do this try to do in 2 possibilities. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. L is sitting fourth to the right of H. H is sitting second to the right of N. So first N right, second H. Here also N right, second H. L is sitting fourth to the right of H. So this is L. Then see the next one. O is sitting to the immediate left of G. G is not the neighbor of L. So G is not the neighbor of L. O is sitting to the left of G. So this is the second one. Then the number of persons between G and L is same as the number of persons between O and F. Between G and L only one person. Between O and F also there is one person. And F is not the neighbor of N. So here we will write F. Here F is not the neighbor of N, but here we got F neighbor of N. So this one is wrong. This one is wrong because F is the neighbor of N. Then see the next one. M is sitting to the right of F. Here we will get M. We are left out with E. So this is the total arrangement. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See the first question. N E H O G F L M. Now first question. If all the alphabets are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right, so from left to right we are arranging them in the alphabetical order. So we will get E F G H L M N O. Then how many are remaining unchanged? None. Who are sitting corners? N and M. Then based on the certain arrangement, E is related to O, one gap. H is to G, one gap. O is to F. How many persons are there between E and M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 persons are there. That means more than 4. Who is sitting third to the left of H? No one is the correct answer. No one is the correct answer. See the next one. If in the certain word, certain code, launch is written as NCWPJ and margin Q OCT I keep. No need to write this. Wonder is written as what? See, if you see here, L 1 gap N, A 1 gap C, U 1 gap W, N 1 gap P, C D means E, H I means J. Similarly, W X means Y, Q P F G T, Y Q P F G T. 2 is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Next question, equality. In the word equality, if the letters of the word equality are arranged in the alphabetical order. So if you arrange in the alphabetical order, we will get like this. See, A E I followed by L Q T U Y. Now, how many will remain unchanged? So which is remaining unchanged? Only Y is remaining unchanged. Only 1. Next, if it is possible to make the meaningful word with first, third, fifth, eighth. First means S, third means A, then fifth means E, then eighth means L. We will get sail and we will get seal. More than one word is found. Your answer is Y, option 5. Next, how many such pairs of numbers are there in the number 7, 6, 9, 3, 1, 4, 2? Each of which has as many numbers between them in the number as in the numeric series. That means between 7 and 8, 7 and 9, in the number series also we will get only one number. Here also we got only one number. So 7, 9 is one pair. 7, 9 is one pair. Between 6 and 7 there is no gap. Here also there is no gap. So 6, 7 is the next pair. So 2 pairs we are getting. Option is 3. Next question. See the next question. What should come in the place of the question series based on the above arrangement? See, if you see clearly, A the reverse letter Z, D reverse letter W, G reverse letter T, J. A B C means D, D E F means G, G H I means J, J K L means M. M reverse letter is N. Now 2, 3, 5 prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3, 5, 7. After 7, next prime number 11. So we will get MN11. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now, what will come in the place of the question mark in the following number series? Here we are having number series. We have to identify what will come in the place of the question mark. See here, 2 gap, 5 gap, 10 gap, then here 3 gap, here 5 gap, next to 7, 17, 26 plus 17 is 43. That is the correct answer. 43 is the correct answer. Next question, 3, 4, 10, 33, 136 and 183. So here how the number series? Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5. So 136 into 5, 680. 136 into 5, 680. 680 plus 5 is 685. Option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next. See the next question. 21, 24, 32, 45, 63 question mark. See how the gap 3, here 8, here 13, here 18, next. So gap 5, each time 5 gap. 18 plus 5, 23. So 63 plus 23, 86. 86 is the correct answer. Next, 6, 3, 3, 6, 24 question mark. So here it is into 0.5, half, into 1, 0.5 double 1, into 2, 1 double 2, into 4, then into 8. 24 into 8, 192. 1 is the correct answer. Next question, 7, 10, 16, 28, question mark 100. See the gap, 3, 6, 12, 3 double 6, 6 double 12, 12 double 24, 28 plus 24, 52. 52 is the correct answer. Then see the next one, 5% of one number is one number x. 5% of one number x, that means 5x by 100. 25% more, that means you take 125 by 100 only. Instead of taking 5 by 4, you take 125 by 100 of another number y. So this and this will get cancelled. So x is equal to how much we are going to get, or x by y is equal to 25. X by y is equal to 25. And the difference of the numbers is 96. X minus y is equal to 96. So here x is nothing but 25y. X by y 25 means x is equal to 25y. So 25y minus y, that is 24y is equal to 96. Y value 4. If y value is 4, x minus 4 is equal to 96. So x is equal to 100. X value 100, y value 4. Find the value of x. X value we got 100. 2 is the correct. The ratio of A age 3 years ago and B age 5 years hence is 4:5. A is 4 years younger than B. That means A is equal to B minus 4. A is 4 years younger than B means A is equal to B minus 4. A age 3 years ago, A minus 3 by B age 5 years hence. 5 years ago, B 5 years ago means B minus 5. That is given as 4:5. Here instead of A you can write B minus 4. B minus 4 minus 3, that is B minus 7. A is nothing but B minus 4. B minus 4 minus 3, B minus 7 is equal to 4 by 5. Now 5B minus 35 is equal to 4B minus 20. Therefore B value is how much? 15. B value we will get 15. If B value is 15, A is equal to B minus 15, A value 11. So present age of B is 15 years. Next question. Two pipes A and B can fill the tank in 16 and 12 hours respectively. Capacity of the tank is 240. So what is A efficiency? 240 by 16, that is 15. What is B efficiency? 240 by 12, that is 12. Now both the pipes are open simultaneously. Both the pipes are open simultaneously. Total efficiency 35. They are closed after 2 hours. So 70 is filled. Out of 240, 70 is filled. Now remaining tank to be filled is 170. Out of 240, 70 is filled. Remaining is how much? 170. 2 is the correct answer. Next. A person covers 32 kilometers downstream in 240 minutes. 240 minutes is 6 hours. So 240 minutes means 4 hours. This is 8. This is downstream speed. So x plus y. And same person cover 48 upstream in 1440 minutes. So 1440 minutes means 24 hours. That is 2. That is x minus y. So the speed of downstream speed is given as 8. Upstream speed is 2. Find the speed of the current. So half of DSS minus USS, that is 6 by 2. What is 6 by 2? 3. 3 km per hour is the correct answer. So speed of the rate of the current is 3 km per hour. Next, the simple interest on certain sum at 15% for 5 years is 1500 more than simple interest at 12% for the same. So 15 into 5, 75. 12 into 5, 60. The difference 15. So 15 is equal to 1500. Find the sum. Sum means 100 is equal to how much? So if 15 parts is equal to 1500, each part 100. 100 into 100 is 100 into 100 is 10,000. The answer is 10,000. 4 is the correct answer. Next, the numerator of the fraction is decreased by 25. Numerator decreased by 25 means 75. Denominator increased by 250 means 350. Then it is 6 by 5. 25 3s, 25 4s, 3 1s, 3 2s. Therefore, x by y is equal to 28 by 5. 28 by 5 is the correct answer. Next, a dishonest vendor professes to sell fruits at the cost of cost price, but he uses the false weight of 800 in place of 1 kg. So instead of selling 1 kg, he is selling only 800 and is taking the cost for 1 kg. That means he is getting 200 grams profit by selling 800. That is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 25% profit. 25% is the correct answer. Next, A is 2.5 times as good as B. 2.5 means 5 by 2. A 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Then A is able to finish the work 50 days less than Y. So the time taken, this is the efficiency, time will be 2:5. So the difference of 2 and 5, that is 3 parts, is given as 50 days. 3 parts is given as 50 days. Now total work, 5 into 2, 10. This is 10, 20. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 10 also. 5 into 2, 10. So total work is 10. So 3 parts, 50 days. 10 is equal to how much? 10 by 3 into 50. This is 500 by 3. This is the total work. This is the total work. Here 3 parts is equal to 50. Total work 10 parts. So 10 by 3 into 50, 500 by 3. Now find the time taken in which they will work together. Now they are working together. If they are working together, A efficiency 5, B efficiency 2. So 7. So we will get 500 by 21. 500 by 21. Now do the division. 500 with 21. 21 2s 42. 21 3 63. The answer is 23 17 by 21. 23 17 by 21. 2 is the correct answer. Next, the total age of 60 girls is 900. The 20 girls is 12. So 20 into 12, 240. Another 20 16. 20 into 16, 320. Total 560. So 900 minus 560, that is 340. Now out of 60, already 40 is over, remaining girls 20. So that will be equal to 17. So what is the average of the remaining girls? That is 17 years. Next, Mr. Ankit invests 14% of his monthly income, that is 1750 in a shares and 8% insurance. So here what is given? 14% is equal to 1750. 14% 1750 and 8% insurance 750. What is the total annual amount invested by him? So total amount is how much? 100% is equal to how much? 100 by 14 into 1750. See this one, 7 2s 25 50. So we are getting 12,500. Total investment. Now total investments means 14 plus 8 plus 7. So 14 plus 8, 22, 29%. So 125 into 29. And this is monthly. We want annual. So into 12. We should do this. 125 into 125 into 29 into 12. First 125 into 29. 45, 11. This is 250. So we will get 3625 into 12. 12 5 60. 30. Then 75, then 43. It is 43,500. 43,500 is the correct answer. It is none of this. None of this. We want annual investment is 43,500. That is not there. So the answer is none of this. See the next question. So based on the table, you have to answer the question. Here table, we have to see the table clearly. So what is the difference between B on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. 65 plus 82 plus 72. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 15, 21. 219. This is 219. Then E on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. E Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. 72, 59, 74. 72, 59, 74. That is 15, 205. What is the difference? 14. 2 is the correct answer. Next, the marks of E on Monday. So E on Monday means 84. It is what percent more than B on Thursday? 72. 84 is how much more than 72? 12. From where it is more? 72. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 always equal to 16. 2 by 3. 2 is the correct answer. Next, what is the average marks of C on the given days? C total. 7 plus 2, 9, 14, 20. 2 plus 7, 9, 15, 22, 29, 32. 320. We got 320. We want average divided by 5. 64 is the correct answer. Option 4. Next, what is the ratio of the marks scored by C Tuesday, Wednesday? C Tuesday 60, Wednesday 75. Total 145. Total 145. Then D on same days. 51 plus 64, that is 115. We have to find ratio. 5 2s, 5 9s, 5 2s, 5 3s. It is 29 is to 23. Next, the total marks scored by E on all days. E all days. Do the calculation. 4 plus 8, 12, 21, 23, 27. Then 2 plus 7, 9, 15, 20, 27, 35. It is 357. E is 357. Now A all days. See this one. 7 plus 5, 12, 21, 30, 34. 3 plus 6, 9, 14, 18, 24, 31. 314. What is the difference? We got 43. 1 is the correct answer. Next, 36% of 170. Multiply 36 into 17. 17 6 102. It is 61.2 plus 5.92x is equal to 150. First 150 minus 61.2. 8, then again 8. It is 88.8 by 5.92. Here we got the point after 2. Here we got point after 1 place. So keep numerator 10. This we have to do. 8880 divided by 592. 592 once 592. Then we are getting 2960. Now how many times exactly? 5 times. 10, 46, 29. So 15 is the correct answer. Option 4. Option 4. Next, 12.11 whole square. This is not approximate. This is exact. We should do exact calculation. 1211 into 1211. So this is easy only. See, calculations is also very easy. 1211. Again 1211. Now 2422. Again 1211. Do the calculation. See, 1, 2, 5, then 6, then 6, then 4, then 1. So we have to keep the point after 4 places. It is 146.6521. 732.2921 minus 146.6521. So how much we are going to get? 0, 0, 4, 6, then 5, 8, then 5. 585.64. So 585.64. This you have to do square root. 24 into 24, 576. Now 964. Now 48. 482 into 482, 964. So how to find the square root? First take 3 values. 24 into 24, 576. Then we will get 9. Get the remaining 2 digits, 64. Whichever number you are writing, 24. Here you should double that, 48. Whatever number you are keeping here, the same number you should keep. 482 into 2, 964. So this is 24.2. 2 is the correct answer. Next, 288 by x into 57 is equal to 2052. X value 288 into 57 by 2052. So we should do this. Now which number? First I am dividing 2052 with 57. 57 3s 171, 342, 6 times, exactly 36. 288 by 36, exactly 8 times. So 8 is the correct answer. 8 is the correct answer. Next, see the next question, 59. 1125 minus 3 plus 5, 3 plus 4 7, 2 plus 7 9, 597, 8 2 5, 528, 654 155, 809, 875 minus 809, that is 66. So divide 528 with 66, that is 8. 8 is the correct answer. Then see the next one. 42 square, that means 42 into 42 into 26 by 6.3. or else you can take this is 260, because I am cancelling the point 6.3 I am cancelling, you have to give 10 here. Now do the calculation. See, 7 6 7 9s, then 3 3s 3 14s, 3 1s 3 2s, 260 into 28, 0 48 20, this is 520. So how much we are going to get? 7,280. 7,280 is the correct answer. So none of these. None of these is the correct answer. See the next one. 115% off. 115% means you can take 23 by 20. 115% is nothing but 23 by 20 into 4,880 minus 85% of 1640. See this one, 4,880. 0 0 cancel. This is 244. Now 244 into 23. 12 13 7 8 8 4 2 then 11 16 5. It is 5,612. 0 0 5 2s 5 17s 2 1s 2 82. 82 into 17. 17 2s 34. 17 8s 136 139. 5,612 minus 1394. 8 1 2 4. It is 4,218. See the next one. 3251 587 369 17, then 6 plus 1 7 15 20, 2 plus 3 5 10 12, 4,207. 4,207 minus 3,007. 0 0 2 1. It is 1,200. 1,200 is the correct answer. It is not there. It is none of these. Next 63 questions. So this is little bit lengthy. See, what is the cube root of 9,261? That is 21. Now this one you have to see carefully. How to find the square root for this big number? That we have to take carefully. Now here there are totally 8 digits. You take first to 4 digits. 6274. You take 80 into 80, 6,400. So just little bit less. So you take 79 square. So what is 79 square? What is 79 square? 79 square. 9 9s 81. 9 7s 63 71. 7 9 63. 7 7 49 55. So we will get 6241. 79 into 79. 6241. 4 minus 1 3. This is 3. So we got 33. Get the remaining all digits. Remaining all digits means 22 41. This is the remaining. Now whichever number you are keeping here, for that you have to take double 158. Now here 158 is there. Which number you are keeping? The same number you should keep here. The same number we should keep here. So get the remaining 2 digits. 22. We got 22. Now 1582 into 2. Do this. 2 2s 4. 16. 2 2s 4. 2 8 16. 11 3. Now 12 minus 4 8. 11 minus 6 5 1. Now 158 4. Now 792 double. 792 into 2. 1584. Here which number you are keeping? The same number you should keep here. 15,841. So 0. This is the square root of this one. That is 7,921. Now multiply 7,921 with 21. Now multiply 7,921 with 21. 7,921 with 21. 7,921 with 21. First 7921. Next 2 2s 4 18 15. The total answer 1 4 13 16 166341. 166341 minus 89. This plus, if it comes here, it becomes minus 89. 11 minus 9 2 5 2 then 661. 166252. 4 is the correct answer. Next 18.6 into 3. it is 55.8 plus 7.2, that is 63. 63 minus 16.5, so 46.5. 46.5 minus 21.7, 842, it is 24.8. 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. See the next one, 65 question. See question number 65. 5.35 plus 4.43 plus 0. So here only we should add. First of all, you add all this one. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 1 plus 3, 4, 9, 13, 6, see, 4 plus 5, 9, 12, 17. 3 plus 1, 4, 8, 12, 15. Then 1 is a carrier. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Remaining is 5. It is 589.57. 589.57 is the correct answer. See the next one. Cube root of 35,937. Since the number is ending with 7, the question should end with 3, because 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. It is a 5-digit number. Take first 2 digits, 35. It is in between 3 cube and 4 cube. 3 cube value 27, 4 cube 64. 35 is in between 27 and 64. Whichever is less, that you have to take. That is 33. So 33 into 1331 is equal to 121 by x. So 121 ones 11s. So we are going to get 363. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3. Next question, 67. 0.5% of 674. Multiply 674 into 5 first. 5 fours 20, 37, 33. 3,370, or else it is 3.37. 3.37. Then 0.8% of 225. That means 8 by 1000 into 225. 25 40s, 25 9s. 9 by 5. 9 by 5 is nothing but 1.8. So 337 into 1.8 you have to do. 3.37 into 1.8. Keep the point after 3 places. 18 sevens, 126. 18 threes, 54, 66. 18 60. So keep the point after 3 places. It is 6.066. 3 is the correct answer. Next, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube by a square plus ab plus b square. That is nothing but a minus b. Here a is 854, b is 276. So 1875. 578 is the correct answer. 578. Next, 56% of 225. So 56 by 100 into 225. 25 fours, 25 nines, 14. It is 126. 20% of 150, that is 30. So 156 plus 109, that is 265 is the correct answer. 265. 265 is not there, none of this. Next, see the next question. 12% of 12 by 100 into 1885 is equal to x by 6. Now if you do the calculation, see 12 into 6, 72. Multiply 1885 into 72. Keep the point after 2 places. Since it is 100, keep the point after 2 places. 10, 17, 17, 3. 7 5s, 35, 59, then 61, then 13. 0, 12, 17, 5, 3. You have to keep the point after 2 places. It is 1357.2. 1357.2 means option 4 is the correct answer. So with this we completed the today's paper, that is paper number 239. Tomorrow is a holiday, so Monday we will continue the next class.